In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Steam Key's game product code. Start by opening the Steam app on your desktop and logging in. Make sure you are using the account where you want the game to stay. Because once a product code is activated, it's permanently tied to that account and can be moved. Give Steam a moment to load your home or library view so everything is synced. Next, look to the bottom left corner of the Steam window. You'll see a button labeled Plus Add a Game. Click that. This is the quick menu Steam provides for bringing external purchases into your library. If your window is very small and you don't see it, expand the window or switch to the Library tab and check again in the lower left area. From the menu that appears, choose Activate a Product on Steam. This opens a guided setup. You'll see some on-screen instructions and user agreements. Click Next to proceed, and take a moment to review the terms if you'd like. When you are ready, continue through the prompts until you reach the field labeled Product Code. Now enter your game key exactly as it was provided. Steam keys aren't case-sensitive, but it's a good idea to type them carefully and avoid extra spaces. Hyphens are usually optional. Steam will accept the code either way as long as the characters are correct. If the key includes multiple segments, enter them all in order. This code typically comes from a boxed game, an authorized retailer, or a legitimate bundle. Be cautious with unknown sources as invalid or region-locked keys can trigger errors. After you've entered the code, click the button to continue. This may be labeled Confirm or Finish. Depending on your client version, Steam will quickly verify the key if it's valid. You'll see a success message and the game will be added to your library automatically. If you encounter an error, double-check the characters. Confirm you are using the right account and make sure the key isn't restricted to a different region. For issues with a purchased key, reach out to the seller for assistance. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.